Hello everyone, Pastor Kudlik from Unity Europe Spiritual Center speaking.
And I'd like to say a few things about meditation. There are many different types of meditations out there in the world. And to my understanding, the most preferred ones presently in the world are the mindfulness kind of meditations run by the Buddhists. And I think it's fantastic. I have walked a long journey with the meditation over 25 years now. It is true that one of the reasons behind meditating is to calm our senses, to withdraw from the world, to become more present in our lives, and train our minds to be less active all the time. The mind is like a 3-year-old. It just wants stimulation. But that also means that we are overstimulated now and constantly engaged with something. So meditation, withdrawing ourselves from the world, closing our eyes, cutting out all the different sorts of stimulations, that does help a lot with our anxieties and provides with a sense of peace. But there is a next step to meditation, the greatest step, and for me definitely the more important step, which is connecting within the spark of God, the divine presence, and step into the greater presence, the ocean of loving that we call God, or the divine presence. Because there is another world there. In the silence with ourselves and God's presence, God's loving, we expand. We tap into greater potentials of who we are. We realize our own greatness and uniqueness. We are able to release and let go of limitations to ourselves and to our connectedness with the divine. Being in touch with the essence of who I am and the source of who I am, which is in God, is much more than finding relaxation and kind of peace from the busyness of my own mind. It is true, in my experience anyway, that that's the first step. Just keep on withdrawing, finding presence, becoming mindful. And then through that, you can step into a greater depth in our meditation and prayer time. I hope this short podcast helps you to understand meditation a little bit more. Have a lovely day.